Hello everyone! Yay, it's here! Forewarning. While I'm sitting down feeling this, be prepared. I will probably have a lot of unboxing videos because I literally have two to do with the right now, and new release and review videos. Usually I don't like posting all this like back to back to back to back, you know, and I like to put in card videos and all that stuff. But the post office system has come through and literally everything I've been waiting on has basically all showed up in the last few days, last week or so. And then plus, for those that might not have been aware, I was dealing with a horrible case of like bronchitis and walking pneumonia and food poisoning, everything. Just so many things. So it's like I'm getting better and then the mail comes through and life is great. So I want to film all these unboxings and new releases for you guys and for myself because how I like to do things, and then I'll get into actual card videos ASAP. So this is, I'm just gonna remove that, the limited edition Simon Says Stamp Valentine card kit. So this kit, if you're not familiar, their limited edition kits are not part of the monthly subscription kits. These are larger kits, more products, so a higher price tag, and because they're limited edition, once they're sold out, they're done. They will not be restocked. It's the same thing kind of with their monthly kits, but these are just separate. A lot of the elements are available individually. So as always, I will have links to the kit, and then I will link to everything that is available individually as well, because, you know, some people only like the one thing or this, you know. So let's just like dive right into this. Okay, so this is like, obviously it's the Valentine's kit. So there's a full stamp set. This is a 6x8 stamp set. This is the Be My Valentine set. Let me move some stuff out of the way so you can see this properly. So really, really pretty set. I love the florals. You guys know me, my big florals. I really like the solid Cupid as well though, because the minute I see this, I'm like, ooh, this would look really cute heat embossed. And then just some great sentiments as well. I also like that, you know, these can all be any time of year, and a bunch of the sentiments can as well, because that's what I like. So you get the stamp set. There's also this awesome, this is a red rubber cling stamp, and I think it's so pretty. It's a heart, but it's a rose in the shape of a heart. Like, isn't that pretty? So really pretty. So yeah, that's the heart rose stamp, so you get that. There is a little stencil, and I always store my stencils in the packaging. So you get a stencil, and this is the heart pattern doily stencil. It's kind of almost hard to see. Isn't that cute? I just think that's really cute. So with the stencil, there is also, kind of excited to try this. This is Deco Foil Metallix Gel, and it's in the color Aged Copper. I've looked at these online, but I've never, ooh, it's different. I've never ordered any yet, so now I get a chance to try it. I'm kind of excited. It's very, I don't even know the word to, it's like, it's not like a paste, like, you know, embossing paste. It's, I don't know, it's different. I'll have to play with it to see, but it's really pretty in the sense of, let me grab a tissue here. In the metallic color of it, it's just really pretty. Yeah. Just really pretty colors. So I'm gonna have to play with this and see what I think. I know there's several other finishes. If I remember, I'll link to them as well, because of course, again, I've been eyeing these up for a while now. Apply a stencil, remove excess gel, return it, let it dry for an hour. And clean stencil immediately. That's kind of basic. So yeah, you get the paste. You also get a palette knife to use. So you've got, you know, everything's ready to go for you. It's got that. There's a cute little self-adhesive heart pouch. So all you'd have to do is like fill this up. There's a pack of sequins as well. Valentine theme sequins. So you could fill these up and then you just peel off the back and you can just stick it right onto your little project, and you've got a little shaker element. So you get those. You get a Simon Says stamp acrylic block, which I love. I have a ton of acrylic blocks. I can never have enough. It's funny. I have so many. I love the Simon ones. The grid lines are etched right into it. And it's just with the like curves, it fits. So love. So you get an acrylic block. You get a pack of these little white paper bags that you can decorate and fill, you know, with little treats. You get a whole bunch of them. Like a ton of them. So that's really fun too. I think that's really cute. So you get a whole bunch of those. There's like 10 or something. There is one of these pre-printed sentiment panels, the black on white, which again, I love these, especially the most recent sets that Simon has released. I like kind of like the snarky sentiments. I hate to break it to you, but you're stuck with me. Try to get used to it. Love. So you can just trim these down with your paper trimmer and then adhere them to your cards and whatnot. So I like that. So you get that. There's little mini envelopes. You get mini vellum envelopes. Like these are like kind of ATC size. They're 2 3/4 by 3 3/4 inch envelopes. So you get those, and then you get 3 little red ones. So cute little, you can do cute little Valentines with those. There's pattern paper that comes with this as well, and it's just like, and that's all double-sided. Just really pretty. Obviously very Valentine-y papers. Make my heart happy. Yeah, just really pretty papers. Love a little thing about you. Some of these would be nice if you are into scrapbooking. These could make some really nice like scrapbooking and whatnot. Just really pretty. Love that. Really like just the simple patterns. You get pattern papers. You get a pack of, I kind of assume these are Simple Stories pattern papers. I don't have the sheet in front of me of what's all in the kit. You also get a pack of these Simple Stories bits and pieces. There's like 60 in this pack. So you get a ton. Let's move. There's like a whole bunch. So you can make all sorts of little like Valentine projects. These would be really nice to decorate those little bags. Like so quick and simple. You could just add some little ephemera to that. You know, like so cute. Like tons. Like tags and things. Ugh. How fun is all this? Like you just... Look at all that. There's so much. There's so much. So, you get a whole pack of those. And then last but not least, you get some Simon cardstock in Simon's Fabrics. How do you get 3 sheets of the ivory? You got red, you get pink, you get blue. Love it. Love it. So, that in a nutshell is Simon's limited edition 2020 Valentine card kit. Like I said, this is limited edition, not part of the subscription. I will have a link to the kit because I checked before I started filming. It is still available. So I'll have a link to the kit. I'll link to everything available that's available individually as well if you want to check that all out. Those will be in the description box below the video. They'll also be on my blog. I always link to my blog directly below my videos, and it'll be like, it's a link directly to my blog post, so you don't have to hunt around and all that stuff. So I'll have links to that, and then on my blog, it'll be picture links, making life a little easier to find everything. And then, yeah, kind of excited to fiddle around and play and make some things. So I will, after I get all the, like I said, the unboxings and release reviews and all, like, there's piles of stuff that's finally showed up. It's been kind of like a second Christmas for me with everything coming through and me feeling better, so yay. And thank you guys for all your well wishes and that. I really appreciate it. And yeah, I'm excited to kind of get back into it. I feel like it's just been so long. So, links will be below. Stay tuned. I'll have a whole bunch more coming. I got another, I'm going to do the card kit unboxing. releases, all that fun stuff. And then I will also have a giveaway coming in the very near future as well. Just trying to figure my life out. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, thumbs upping, commenting, all of it. I appreciate you guys so much. Big hearts. And I'll see you very soon in the next video.